Hello guys, today we are seeing several cement tank we have already connected with the tractor. We are going to deliver it today, so we can see how they are connecting together. To go to the connection part between the cement tank and the prime mover, we can see those are how the parts and components are connecting with the cement tank. There we have electricity connection, electric socket, and the braking line coupler. Here we have another place to connect with the prime mover. This is the line from here to connecting the power source and the braking source. On the tank we have a VIN here. On all the boats we have those red line to mark up how did we fasten it up. You can check it everywhere. So the rim we're using is aluminum, and the bolt on those on the tires is also with those red lines. The aluminum rim looking is very beautiful. Here we have a water tank. The water tank is supplying waters to the drum brake. So when the temperature of the drum is very high, they would open the switch to spray some water on top of it to cool it down. Here is the fifth wheel. The fifth wheel is connecting with the kingpin plate. We can see more clear from this position. This is an air compressor. The air compressor's pipe is going to here and also coming to there. It haven't contacted with the cement tank pipe yet, but once you open here, then lift this pipe up and put it there, then it would work. This is the air compressor, and here the belt. The belt is connecting with the tractor, the PTO, power takeoff. This is the power takeoff. You can see the power takeoff is getting the power from the engine. The engine would give its power to there, and that part would turn. Once it would turn this up, then the belt would move. Once the belt move, here would turn too. Then the air compressor will work. This is how it works. And you can see it's mounted on the prime mover, but not on the trailer itself. The tank body itself is looking like all the other tanks we have taken before. And this is how it looks in the rear. And this is the pipe over here. Okay, I think that's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy our video today. See you guys next time.